In today's metals markets, let's take a look at silver futures as they're trading lower today. Silver futures lower 4 out of the last 5 trading sessions. Today's price action has the futures market trading down to its lowest level in 7 sessions, or basically a week and a half. Currently priced at 22.49, which is down a little over 2% on the day. And when you look at some of the driving factors, it appears that there's a couple things here influencing the markets. It does appear that there's some repositioning as we are moving into a heavy data-driven week, highlighted by inflation data later this week, as well as several Fed speakers throughout the week. And so I think that that's having an influence as we're seeing both silver and gold giving up some ground here today. Also, I think some market observers have pointed to the crypto world and Bitcoin continuing to show relative strength as another factor contributing to some of the rotation that we're seeing take place here over the last couple of weeks. And when you look at silver, it is losing its relative strength when you look at when compared to gold here, as gold is basically holding into the middle of its range here for the last several weeks, if not longer than that, with silver now moving back down towards the lower end of the range as it's giving up some of that relative strength that it did see in the middle of February. As we close out February here, silver is continuing to realize heavier selling pressure. And looking at most of the major metals markets, the futures markets today, pretty much lower across the board. Silver and gold lower, but as well as copper giving up some of its recent strength, down about 2% or a little bit over that today, as well as platinum and palladium. So pretty much across the board, selling pressure in the metals markets today. Silver trading down to a 1.5 week low.